Hi, everybody. My name is Kaylee, and I'm the owner of coachingwithkaylee.com. And I provide outsourced CFO services for healers and creatives in the entrepreneurial spirit who are looking to really heal their money journey, heal their money story, and move forward so they can make a bigger impact in this world. And in working in this space, I really got to know and love money mantras. It was one of the first things that I did in my personal money journey that made a huge impact. And I would love to share my journey and my space with you on how to use these money mantra cards. I created these cards. I generated and designed these cards with my team member, Liz, my marketing team member, Liz. And they're like tiny little touches for us to stay focused on what's important and not reel in the old habits, right? So when we're dealing with our money journeys, we have all these old money stories that come up, and these habits. I mean, they're habits because we do them unconsciously, right? We don't always choose this space. It just kind of comes up for us, and then we accept it as reality. So money mantras is a great way for, as you're going through life and as you're going through your money journey and as you're learning something new, maybe an old money belief that's not serving you will come up, an early money belief will come up. And then you'll want to kind of redirect that or buy yourself enough time to think differently, right? So like as an old money, money mantra comes up, an old money belief comes up, you can redirect to a new money mantra that represents the space to buy you enough time to think differently and more positively toward the direction of wealth and abundance. So how to use money mantra cards, or money mantras in general. If you don't want the cards, you can always just use the money mantras. I do have them posted every Monday on my Instagram and Facebook. You have the links that you can access those. But if you wanted to access the cards, the money mantra cards, there's 50 unique in every batch. And it's a great way to just kind of check in. So I like to just close my eyes and kind of fondle through the deck here, and then have the universe guide me into a message that works well for me. So, which is funny because the one that I pulled up is called My Money Works for Me. So that's a money mantra. My money works for me. So there's really like no wrong way to use money mantras. It's just a great way for you to redirect some old habits and then kind of check in with the universe every once in a while. So maybe there's a message that you need to hear or that you need to be reminded of that will pop up. So some of the ones that I use in my example are, I take care when choosing my words around money. I like this money mantra because before I got into my mindset of abundance and money, I never really thought about how I spoke about money, how my peers spoke about money, how I directed feelings and words toward money. So this is a great money mantra to remind me that I do take care and I do choose words, and I can actively choose the direction of my thoughts and beliefs and my new set habits and patterns. It's not about how much money I make, but how much money I keep. This money mantra is really great because I think we feel a lot of pressure, especially as entrepreneurs, new entrepreneurs, we feel a lot of pressure to withhold a certain level of income in order to show that you're successful. And success to me, when it comes to money, from an accountant's perspective, as well as an entrepreneur and a healer's perspective, has nothing to do with how much money you make. It's how you spend it and how much you keep. Like in what direction and what ways do you spend your money, invest your money, and then how much do you keep for after you've paid for all of your overhead and things. Money expands my life's opportunities and experiences. So money gives us opportunity. So like usually when we think about having more money, we start to constrict a little bit. We're like, oh, more money will mean more responsibility. It will mean more this, more that. Like more things will come up. It'll be in my face, da, da, da. But if you think of money as an opportunity to expand and to experiencing this human life more, then it's a great new way to think about money as abundance as opposed to like constriction. Money is made with grace and ease. This is a big one, guys. This is really big. I don't know about you, but I grew up with the idea that you have to work hard to earn money. Like there's only one way to make money, and it's to work really hard. And I brought this mindset into my businesses. And even though I was working hard, I wasn't making the money. And I started to get really frustrated because I'm like, I don't get it. The formula is work hard, make money. Like, what am I missing? So it was an old belief system that I had to strip away from and then step into this new space this new mindset of money is made with grace and ease. It doesn't always have to be forced and worked for. There's the masculine and feminine energy in everything that we do. We have to make room for grace and ease, and then make room and time for the hard work, the steps that go into that. So how you use money mantras is completely up to you. You can use it as a tool to layer in with your clients or your leads like I do, or you can use it as just a quick touch from the universe when you need a little reminder or a little bit of a direction, or just a little upbeat check-in with yourself and your money stories. And it's also a really great way to replace an old, just recurring thought over and over and over again as like a reaction, and then allow you to have space to create a new habit, a new mindset, a new direction, and stop hanging on to all that old stuff that's not allowing you to move forward in the direction of your choice. So if you have any questions, please email me at support@coachingwithkaylee.com. And if you'd like to preview the cards or get your pre-sale order in, go to www.coachingwithkaylee.com and submit your order. And I will be happy to provide you a very special card deck just for you for money mantras in your journey. Talk to you all soon.